If HandBrake is giving you an error writing file, don't worry. In most cases, this is a simple save location or permission issue, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to solve the HandBrake error writing file problem, why it happens, and what to do if the first fix doesn't work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to understand is what this error actually means. When HandBrake says error writing file, it usually means the program is being blocked from saving the new converted video to your drive. That block can come from restricted folder permissions, not enough disk space, or even cloud sync software like OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive interfering with the file while HandBrake is still trying to write it. So let's start with the most effective fix, and that is changing the save location. If you are trying to save into a protected folder like C drive root folders, program files, or even a synced documents or videos folder, HandBrake may not have the access it needs. In HandBrake, look at the bottom of the window where the output file path is shown. Click the Browse button and choose a different location. For the best results, select your desktop as the destination. The desktop usually has the fewest write restrictions, which makes it much easier for HandBrake to create the file and finish the export without getting blocked. After choosing the desktop, give the output file a simple name and try the encode again. In many cases, that alone will solve the problem immediately. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is cloud sync. Services like OneDrive, Dropbox, and Google Drive can sometimes lock a file while they are trying to upload or sync it, and that can interrupt HandBrake in the middle of writing the file. This is especially common if you are saving to your documents, videos, or desktop folder, and that folder is being synced automatically. To test this, pause Cloud Sync temporarily. If you use OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive, open the app and pause syncing while HandBrake is exporting. Then run the conversion again and see if the file saves correctly. If it works after pausing sync, you've found the cause. You can either keep syncing paused during exports or save your HandBrake files to a completely local folder that is not being watched by cloud services. Now let's check another very common cause, and that is available disk space. If your drive is nearly full, HandBrake may fail when it tries to create the output file. Even if the conversion starts, it can still stop partway through because there is not enough room to finish writing the video. So open your drive in File Explorer or Finder and make sure you have enough free space for the file you're exporting. As a general rule, leave plenty of extra room on the drive, especially if you are exporting large videos. If necessary, delete a few unused files, empty the recycle bin or trash, and then try the HandBrake export again. A low storage drive can trigger all kinds of strange write errors, so this step is definitely worth checking. Another thing to verify is the file name itself. Sometimes the issue is not HandBrake at all, but the output file name contains illegal characters or formatting that the system does not accept. Avoid special characters like slashes, colons, question marks, and other symbols that may cause problems. Keep the file name simple, short, and clean. For example, instead of a complicated name with symbols, try something basic like finalvideo.mp4. Also make sure the folder you are saving into actually allows write access. If you are working in a system folder or a restricted directory, HandBrake may not have permission to create the new file there. That is another reason why saving to the desktop is such a good first test, because it helps you separate permission issues from everything else. So if we put it all together, the best troubleshooting order is this. First, change the save location to your desktop. Second, pause any cloud sync apps. Third, check that you have enough disk space. And fourth, verify that the file name is simple and the folder has write access. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the HandBrake error writing file message right away. If you want the fastest possible solution, start with the desktop save location first, because that is usually the most effective fix. Then work through the other steps if needed until the export completes successfully. And if this video helped you solve the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.